Hello, what's up guys? Today I will show you an example of climatic action bar, sell climatic action bar. So now this is the climatic action bar. Which one? This one. This one. This candle. This candle show a climatic action bar because overall condition is complete. High spread volume. There is also a wick below. It's also have a selling background. Check its volume, high ultra volume. So what will you do? You draw a trigger line on its upper wick. Now when market broke this upper trigger line, this is a trigger line, when market break this upper trigger line, what will you do? You will wait, that market gives a retracement. Here you see market gives a retracement. This is a retracement. Okay, now we have also a fair value gap. Here you see this one, fair value gap, this one a fair value gap. I write here FVG. FVG. Because this is a New York session, so I found a confirmed trade setup. This is a climatic action bar. So what will you do? You will wait, market comes down here, and we will check the confirmation. Which confirmation? This one. This is a 2-bar reversal. Okay, this is a 2-bar reversal. Here market creates a 2-bar reversal, a confirmed 2-bar reversal. Okay, so what will you do? You will align with the volume. Now here check the volume of this candle. Here check the volume of this green engulfing candle. The green engulfing candle volume is low than a previous red candle. So it is a confirmation that market will go to the upside. Now you see market is immediately go to the upside. Here is our first target. Market hit over TP first. So here is a great example of a climatic action bar strategy. When you found like this setup, when you found a climatic action bar, this climatic action bar, you will wait that market sweep below and go to the upside and break this trigger line. Now this is a momentum candle, and also check its volume. Its volume is also low. You see that its volume is also low than a climatic action bar, this climatic action bar. If suppose volume is high like this, if this momentum candle volume is high like this, then do not place the trade, because it has chances that market will go to the downside. It has chances that market will go to the downside. So be careful. You have a right mindset to place the trade. You have a right and good setup to place the trade. When you found a good setup, when you found a high quality setup, then place the trade. Otherwise, wait. Now this is the fair value gap. Market came here, tap this fair value gap, touch this fair value gap, and what it do? It creates a 2-bar reversal. Okay. I write here 2-bar reversal. It's so simple and easy. You only need practice. Okay, do the practice. Practice makes you perfect. Do not over trade. Always do the training with full confidence. Best of luck.